वंदे मातरम स्वीकार नहीं है, उनको भारत में रहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं।
हिंदुस्तान में रहना है तो फिर वंदे मातरम।
I know this video is controversial, but before you go and judge this, I promise you by the end of this video, you will understand three things. What is Vande Mataram? Why are they being beaten up for it? And why do Muslims reject chanting? Vande Mataram is a Bengali poem whose direct translation is Mother, I bow to thee. Where in context there is a meaning that says, I worship the motherland. According to Wikipedia, Vande Mataram did play a vital role in the Indian independence. First sung in a political context by Rabindranath Tagore in 1896. It also became a popular marching song for political activism and the Indian freedom movement in 1905. The song was given so utter importance that the first president of India, Rajendra Prasad, stated that the song should be honored equally with the national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Now this is where it gets interesting. On 26 January 1950, the Constituent Assembly of India has adopted Vande Mataram as the national song. However, the Constitution of India does not have anything mentioned as the national song. No, I'm not telling this out of nowhere. On February 17th, 2017, the Supreme Court itself declared that there is no concept of a national song, declining to frame a national policy to promote Vande Mataram. As per Article 51A of the Constitution of India, honoring the national anthem Jana Gana Mana is one of the fundamental duties of the citizen of India, where disrespecting it is a serious issue. Whereas Vande Mataram does not have any constitutional privilege and is not under the fundamental duties. I don't want to go in detail, but in a nutshell, Vande Mataram has history, but it is not a fundamental duty for Indians. Now, all I can assume is these mobs are being violent because of misinformation and lack of knowledge about our constitutional rights. Well, that said, why do Muslims reject chanting Vande Mataram? It's anyways showing love to the country, right? Well, to understand this, please watch this video to the end. You see, the only belief that a Muslim surrenders himself to is that he worships none other than one God, Allah, and that the Prophet, peace be upon him, is his messenger. Now here comes a debate that has been going on for very long, that this song has nothing to do with worship.
Religion has nothing to do with singing a national song. What is Vande Mataram?
But according to the gathered leaders, including Rabindranath Tagore, though the first two stanzas began with an unexceptional evocation of the beauty of the motherland, in later stanzas there are references to the Hindu goddess Durga. Even though now, if you don't consider her as the goddess, Vande Mataram still gives a meaning of bowing down, worshipping the land. And in Islam, bowing down is itself an act of worship, of which it shakes the basic belief of a Muslim. Don't get me wrong, they don't mean any disrespect. If it's praising, they will praise in every way possible, just so that it doesn't go against their belief. On top of that, Islam strictly prohibits a person from disrespecting another religion. And as per the Quran, it's commanded in chapter 6, 108, do not abuse those whom they worship besides Allah. So a true following Muslim would never disrespect or insult another religion. In the end, I will mention that there are a lot of us who have lost hope, telling that there is no use of making such videos, that things will never change. Well, let me tell you this. If all of us stop trying to put our efforts from our side, then sooner or later there will be no opposition to the wrong that's happening. Normalization will take place. It already has, that people are not feeling guilty for the violence that's happening. We are trying our best to take a stand to bring the smallest change possible, and it would be much easier if you could join us one by one, and in time I promise that we will effect change. That's it for today. Until next time.